Welcome to another adventure. As some of you may already know, some of my side quests to East Asia were put on hold for over 2 years due to a mixture of lockdown and random COVID restrictions. But up until now, things are gradually changing. My original plan was to visit Japan again for the fourth time, but due to its inept strategy at reopening towards foreign visitors, I decided that I could not wait any longer, and I decided to visit another country in East Asia that I've been had my eye on for quite a while. That country is called Vietnam. But one of the reasons I want to visit Vietnam is because I'm going to meet a friend who I met on an online mobile phone app called HelloTalk in person. And although I've never met her in person, I've had several face-to-face online Zoom meetings with her, as well as the odd face-to-face phone call on Instagram. Currently, there are no direct services from London to Hanoi, so I had to take a grueling 11-hour flight from Heathrow to Bangkok through Thai Airlines, and then change for a smaller flight from Bangkok to Hanoi. So putting that aside, so sit back and enjoy. Shinegi. The dog. Truth, the weather in Hanoi has not been that great at all. Apart from Tuesday night when I first arrived, and perhaps this morning, it has been raining heavily throughout. Although, like I said, this morning the weather was so good, it was dry and sunny, and I used the opportunity to walk around the old quarter and do some more YouTube filming. But to come to think of it, right now it's not that bad. Although in the next 5 minutes, 10 or 5 minutes or so, I might do a heavy rain outbreak. Where I'm standing right now is the famous One Pillar Pagoda, and it's situated right next to the Ho Chi Minh Museum, which, if you look very carefully, yeah, you might see it up there behind the houses. To be honest, I decided not to visit the museum myself, because when I walked up to there, the doors looked like they're open, but the lights weren't switched on. Although I know it was open because I saw people working inside, which to me seemed a little odd. And at that time I did not feel like entering the museum, so what I did, I just walked around the perimeter, took a few photos, and that's it. And hopefully after that also see if I can walk past the mausoleum as well.
Cà phê trứng. Chưa. Cà phê trứng.
Cà phê trứng.
Phê. Not phê. Cà phê, you know coffee?
Oh, cà phê trứng.
Cà phê.
Cà phê
trứng.
Trứng. Rồi. Cà phê trứng. Trứng. Rồi.
Okay.
Very good.
You can mix it.
Yeah.
You can. I don't like stir it. I like to have a separate part.
Taste the egg.
But a lot of people they will stir it so that like the taste will like mix.
Yeah. It's very hard when there's ice in here as well.
I like the creamy one. Ngon không?
Non cold.
Is this delicious?
Delicious, yeah.
So you will say ngon.
Noi.
Ngon.
Non.
I just answer correct. Đúng So is correct.
Okay.
Ngon,
No, nom,
ngon.
non, non.
Ôi xị.
Oishikata desu. Hey.
What's the difference? I mean, because I still couldn't see myself, so.
She can.